What's going on, beautiful people? Good morning, good morning. Running like 2 hours behind. Had quite a few other videos and stuff to make this morning, and I got up too early, and then I went back to sleep. Then I got up too late, so I'm like, 2 hours behind. Probably the 2 hours I took when I got up at 5 o'clock to do some stuff. So back here with another awesome fast BNB. Because the only reason I'm explaining at the time is I like to try to do it at the same time, so you can see how much this trend came through the account, but you'll still be able to see it. It's only what, 2 hours later. So we know yesterday we did a we recompounded or compounded. I don't know, I keep saying recompound. You just compound it. Up to $58 a day. We have a new beautiful soul here inside the team. Like everybody's kind of see, this is me. So everybody's kind of putting in the same thing. So it's kind of hard to tell you who's a new person because it's just numbers. Maybe I'll just take a picture of it and hold it to the side, and then I can tell you who the next new person is. But as my new people get new people, my new people keep converting, their numbers are growing. As you can see, their numbers are growing too. So you can tell the newest people are the 0.1 BNBers. So the 1.2, 0.125, 0.21, you can see they're starting to grow. And compound. Somebody might just be taking it back out because you're going to make in 33 days, you'll make your initial investment back in 33 days. So I'm already up to $80 for today. And that's $58 from just, shoot. So say this is the difference. I'm telling people, right? The person that wishes not to tell anybody is only $22 away from me for today. That shows you a true op that you really don't need to recruit. It's just in my blood to do it. That's just not saying it's not in their blood. Some people just don't like to do it, but it's in my blood to tell other people. So I'm going to just keep telling other people and keep making these videos. But you can see the difference. It's $22. It's not even a full 22. It's $21 and like 60 cents or something like that. Whichever way, yeah. $21.60. So that's how far you are away from me, with 7 people on my front line and 2 people on my second line. So this is for anybody. This just shows you the power. A lot of times it's hard for us to show you the power because all you see is, oh, he's recruiting. He's telling all these people and I can't do it and I don't want to join. Man, if you don't look at this, 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 look at this. This is the difference. I don't think I can show you no better than this. This is the difference. This is the difference. And it's still less than $22. It's gonna catch it in a minute, but hey, it's less than $22 right now. $21. 21 is a good number, biblical. So let you know that you can do it. All you gotta do is come in and invest. Like you say, I got 7 people. Whoever these 2 people belong to, it might be just one person that's down here. And I'm trying to make sense of this, but really don't know how. At first I was like, man, they took their money out. What's that negative for? But that was me. I know I take my money out. It's just to separate the address. So all I can see is their Metamask address. And it shows you how safe they are because you can't do nothing with it other than you want to give them some money. So what we're going to do now, we're going to compound. Jeez, help me out, people. Help me out. Please help me out. Stop saying recompound. Maybe I need some more coffee. Compound is the act of putting interest back in and making it capital to make more interest. That's the act of compounding. And you need a calculator to do all that, to figure it out. And I'm not going to try to do it on my mind. Okay, so we got 1.161. Probably try to do 0.16 because remember in the other videos I was being too greedy trying to get everything out, and then I had to put more money in there because I had no money for my gas. Like my car was just sitting there. I had a Lamborghini Lamborghini truck sitting on 26s and couldn't go nowhere. You know what I'm saying? That's a bad feeling, man. How you gonna have a Lamborghini truck without no gas? Because that's what it is. This is the Lamborghini. and me trying to move my money was no gas. You know what I'm saying? It's not good. It's not good practice. All right, so we can go ahead and withdraw. Click withdraw. That's how easy it is, people. Are you sure you would like to withdraw? Yes. And yesterday, when I came to this screen, I was like, yeah, man, I'm ready. I'm about to withdraw. It was like insufficient. And it said insufficient funds, not because the gas comes from this way. It already has to be in the tank. You can't just, your car is just like, okay, this is the gas station. Hold up. Am I saying this right? This is the gas station. This is the car. No, this is the car. Gas, whatever. You can't be at the house with an empty tank and thrive and actually, refuel your car from the gas station. You actually got to be at the gas station to refuel your car, if that makes any sense. So you got to get your gas from the gas station. So the gas has to always be here. So we got 0.03 BNB in here. I'm not even sure how much that is right now. Oh no, it's gonna charge me 0.303. See, different times during the day when you moving money, it charges you more. I remember one time it was like 0.01, it was like 0.02, so whatever it is. But as soon as you put the money back, it grows. As soon as you put the money back, it grows. And that's just exactly what's happening. All right, so what we're going to do is we already clicked the you sure you want to withdraw? I think I just seen it move while I was. So I think I was making some money while I'm over here still running my mouth. Let me see. I want to see if it moves when it's on the screen in the background. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, it does. So, all right. So, are you sure you want to like doing it? I click yes. Click confirm. I'm going to go over here to my MetaMask wallet, and then you go ahead and cancel that, and then you look right here for about 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, then you get the 10. Golly, you guys are something else. So what that means is right now I can be like, you know what? Y'all did me good. I don't want to deal with this no more. I'm out. But that'd be crazy. Why am I gonna do that? Because I still got this amount of money. See, look, boom, you're still making money. So in 33 days, this full capital will be paid out. So I'm making money again while I'm still running my mouth. I mean, this is the best thing of being like Bezos and Bill Gates. Obviously, they make way more money. I'm just saying that you can talk, you can play, you can do things, but your money's always working for you. Your money's working for you instead of you just working for your money. Only thing I do is click a few buttons to make it move. So now you come back over here to MetaMask, and then you can see that it's in there, right? So what we said we're going to do, I don't want to get all my, it was 1.191. I don't want to take it all out. Let me see. What did I just move? All right, what we'll do is we'll do 0.19. Yeah, we'll just do 0.19. Yeah, because it's like 0.915, and it's gonna leave another like 1 here, so that means it gives me enough time to do a few more moves. And 0.19 for you, and this is how you can look at BNB prices when you're on here looking at it before. So 0.19, you go to swap, and swap allows you to type what you're moving. So move 94 back in there. I think I moved out 80 something. So even with 0.19, unless BNB was growing while I wasn't paying attention to it, I don't know. Or maybe in the fees, I don't know. It doesn't matter. So we have I wonder if you can mess with this. Oh, slippage fees if I want to swap into another token. I wish you could put, man, the day that they get So you can swap this to USDT. I don't know if that's the USDT I actually need, but I'll find out which USDT that is. If it's USDT, like USDT TRC20, then that's cool. I'll look at some videos and find out. And then I'll probably do a video on that so you can see it. So 0.19 is $94.97. All right, so what we're gonna do is hit stake. It's gonna take over this. It's gonna just take over my whole 0.19 estimated gas fee. See, it's like now it's like 0.005. So 195 is going to leave me with 0.005 and some change in there. So I'll be good for my next run. I'll probably do it in the middle of the day, or maybe do it a little earlier, because right now, oh yeah, it's 12 o'clock. I'm gonna do it earlier in the day because you will pay for the gas, and gas costs different prices different times during the day. So let me go ahead and confirm this before it goes up anymore. So we staked the 1.9. We're down here at 31674. And so far we drew, oh, okay. All right, so you can see this grew, and you can see this grew too. So that 0.19 one here, so this was like 5 something, and 0.19. So that's what we withdrew 0.19. So that's right. This was already where this is supposed to be, because we should have looked at this before I withdrew. So this went up from withdrawing, and this went up because I put it back. So now I am staking 3.864 BNB. And let's see. Remember, we started with 3 BNB like 3 or 4 days ago. So we go back to, I don't know which video this is, and I'll have to tell you what day. All right, so I still got 0.171. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's enough for there's actually 0.17. Let me see how much money that is. 0.0171. $8.55. Yeah, perfect. So what we're staking now is, yeah, it's up to 19. We started with 13. That's extra $600 we just made in 3 days. 2-3 days. That's like, shoot, working a job. A $200 a day job. I think it was like 3 days. Because if it's day 4, this would be 3 days. Let's see. So that's what that would be. So I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to go down and go to the bottom. So today is the 15th. We did our first, that's not even it. This is it. We did our first 3 BNB on the 11th. So today's the 15th. So you got 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, 4 days. 4 days in, made $600. And then also, people, BNB is going up. And not only is BNB going up, Dogecoin that's on the BNB blockchain is going up also. I can't sell that to you, so I can tell it to you while we're on here. And then this is going to surpass this. Oh, it's already did it. But the more and more people join, the faster. This is going to always grow faster. But letting you know that if you just invest and you don't tell anybody, I don't know why you wouldn't tell anybody, because you would want them to do what you're doing. You be at 25 cents and I'll be at 31 cents, 6 cents a piece. And I went through all this work and telling people, and my people told people. It's the difference. There's a difference. So, hey, people, love you. Like, subscribe, join my team, rock that bell, and let's get you started, people. Let's get you off to a great start. Dig me? All right. Love you. Peace.